flood warning in effect until late tonight. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Eagle Creek above Findlay. When? Until late tonight. Impacts: at 9.0 feet, Eagle Creek will overrun its banks and begin to inundate portions of Fremont and Graceland Avenue. Water will inundate a field near Rosemont Drive. Additional details: at 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday, the stage was 8.6 feet. Forecast: the river will fall to 8.9 feet late this evening. It will then rise above flood stage this evening to 9.1 feet late this evening. It will fall below flood stage this evening. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Flood warning in effect until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. What? Small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of northwest Ohio, including the following county: Hancock. When? Until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details: at 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, river gauge reports indicated waters continuing to rise along small streams and creeks. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area, including along Lake Creek. Some locations that will experience flooding include Findlay, Arlington, and Mount Blanchard. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following county: Hancock, Ohio. On the latest weather